Hello and namaste to dear students and all our fellow viewers. You are once again welcome to Teach Nepal. I am Ramesh Adhikari. Today I am going to present you a new lesson of grade 12 compulsory English new course, that is literature part. In this video, I'll deal with a story, A Devoted Son by Anita Desai, and very soon we are about to upload many videos for other lessons. Dear students, let me start today's lesson. I hope you will watch the video till the end to get the complete understanding of the lesson. Before I begin, I'd like to request you all to subscribe our channel for other many new videos and updates. Please don't forget to press the notification bell icon to get notified about our new videos automatically. Now let's begin. First of all, let's talk about the author. The author of the story, A Devoted Son, is Anita Desai. She was an Indian author. She was born in 1937 in Mussoorie, India, and she was born from a German mother. Her father was an Indian. She completed her BA degree from University of Delhi, and she has written many novels, short stories, and children's books, which are very famous. And her novel In Custody was adapted into a film in 1993. And she has also received many Sahitya Academy Award for her novel Fire on the Mountain. Now let's talk about the main characters. The main character of the story is Rakesh. He is a brilliant student and he is obedient son as well, and he is a responsible doctor. And the next character is Bina. Bina is Rakesh's wife. She is an uneducated village girl, and she is shown as old-fashioned and calm, fat, and lazy woman. And the next character is Mr. Burma. Mr. Burma is Rakesh's father. He is a kerosene seller and he is hardworking and he is happy with his son's progress, but later he becomes quite dissatisfied with his son's dieting plan. And the next character is Burma's wife. She is a normal housewife and she dies soon after Rakesh returns from the USA. And the next character is Mr. Bhatia. He is next door neighbor of Mr. Burma and best friend of him, and who shares his joy and sorrow with him. He complains about his son's dieting plan with Mr. Bhatia. And there are also some other characters like the children of Rakesh and the villagers there. Now the setting of the story. The setting of the story is a poor suburb of India during the late 90s, where lower class families struggle hard and educate their children to fulfill their dream. Now let's talk about the plot of the story. First of all, the exposition or the beginning of the story. Rakesh stops the medical examination and the whole family celebrates the occasion with the neighbors. This is the exposition. And the rising action, Rakesh goes to America for his further study and returns back home to serve his parents and the country. And the climax, Rajesh's mother dies and his father becomes ill. Tensions rise between them. And in one side there is responsibility of and duty of Rakesh, and at the other side, there is dissatisfaction of his father and as a patient as well. And the following action is Rakesh fulfills his responsibility of both as a son and a doctor, and the resolution, Mr. Burma dies and the story ends. Now let's talk about the summary of the story. The title of the story refers to Rakesh, on whom the whole story moves around. यसको चाहिँ मुख्य पात्र राकेश हो. यसको चाहिँ कथाको शीर्षक अ डिभोटेड सनले पनि राकेशलाई नै जनाएको छ. राकेशको वरिपरि कथा घुमेको छ. He comes from a poor Indian village. His father, Mr. Burma, works as an oil seller and educate him. The story begins with the news of his success, being a topper of the country in the medical examination, followed by celebration of the family with the neighbors. यो कथाको चाहिँ सुरुवातमा अब मिस्टर वर्मा एउटा वेल सेलर हुन्छ, आफू अशिक्षित भए पनि उसले छोरालाई चाहिँ पढाएको हुन्छ र छोरा राकेश मेडिकल एक्जाममा हैन देशभरि नै फर्स्ट भएको चाहिँ खबरबाट यो कथा सुरु हुन्छ। Then he gets an opportunity for further study in America and leaves the country. He does quite well there, and Mr. Burma is proud of his son. However, some villagers think he may forget the country and settles there. He sends his awards to his home. He is offered a job in reputed American hospitals, but he returns back home to serve his parents and the nation. However, his parents are not happy with his decision. त्यसपछि ऊ अमेरिका पढ्न जाने मौका पाउँछ, जान्छ, उसले एकदम राम्रो गर्छ हैन। अनि त्यही जब अफर पनि आउँछ उसलाई, तर उसले चाहिँ आफ्नो प्यारेन्ट्सको, आफ्नो देशको सेवा गर्नको लागि फर्किन्छ। After he returns back, he marries an uneducated village girl and starts working at a city hospital. Soon he becomes the director of the hospital and everybody becomes happy. He has made them to feel proud of him. Then he starts his own clinic. त्यसपछि ऊ फर्किन्छ, एउटा चाहिँ हैन अशिक्षित केटी बिहे गर्छ गाउँमै र उसले एउटा सिटी हस्पिटलमा काम पाउँछ, त्यहाँ प्रमोसन हुँदै डाइरेक्टरसम्म बन्छ हैन, सबैजना ह्याप्पी हुन्छन् हैन। र उसले आफ्नो एउटा क्लिनिक पनि सुरु गर्छ। Unfortunately, his mother dies and his father becomes very sad. Now he has his own family and he can't give enough time for his father. Soon his father becomes severely ill. He cares his father and asks his wife to provide medicine and proper food on time. Rakesh bans his father from having sweets, but he tries to get them from Rakesh's son. Rakesh worries about the behavior of his son and being less faithful. Mr. Burma complains about not getting enough food. Tensions rises between them, but becomes more devoted. He becomes more devoted to his father. Eventually, his father passes away, and the story ends. बस चाहिँ पछि उसको आमाको मृत्यु हुन्छ। आमाको मृत्यु भएपछि उसको बुवा धेरै मिस्टर वर्मा धेरै दुखी हुन्छन् र चाहिँ उसले आफ्नो परिवार भएको बच्चाहरू भएको कारणले गर्दा उसले चाहिँ फादरलाई धेरै टाइम दिन पनि पाउँदैन। उसको बुवा धेरै बिरामी पर्छन् र चाहिँ उसले आफ्नो बुवालाई मेडिसिनहरू खाना प्रोपरली दिनको लागि आफ्नो चाहिँ श्रीमतीलाई भनेको हुन्छ। उसले चाहिँ बुवालाई गुलियो कुराहरू खानबाट रोक्छ, तर चाहिँ त्यो कुराहरू आफ्नो नातिको माध्यमबाट चाहिँ खान खोज्छन् राकेशको बुवाले। अनि उसले चाहिँ आफ्नो छोरालाई चाहिँ बिगार्ने हुन् कि आफ्नो बुवाले भन्ने लाग्छ। त्यसमा चाहिँ द्वन्द्व पैदा हुन्छ त्यहाँ हैन। अनि मिस्टर वर्माले पनि आफ्नो साथी मिस्टर भाटियासँग पर्याप्त खाना खान नपाएको कुराको गुनासो गर्छन् र जतिसुकै द्वन्द्व बढे पनि ऊ चाहिँ डिभोटेड छ आफ्नो फादरप्रति, आफ्नो चाहिँ उसले कर्तव्य पुरा गरेको छ र अन्त्यमा चाहिँ मिस्टर वर्माको मृत्युसँगै कथा सकिएको छ। Now let's talk about the analysis of the story. It depicts the story of a lower class family in a poor village of India. Mr. Burma, son of a vegetable vendor, is not educated and runs his family as a well seller. He dreams of comfortable life, making his son Rakesh a reputed doctor. He works hard for his dream and it comes true. It suggests that the devoted children can help to fulfill their parents' dream. The author has created the feeling of gratitude towards the family and the nation as Rakesh returns back home and serves the family and the community, although he has been offered many jobs in reputed American hospitals. He is also given the highest rank in the hospital, honoring his study and hard work. Suddenly, the story stops and the death of Rakesh's mother and the father becoming ill. These are the natural processes one has to suffer in their real life. The author might be telling that one should take up the responsibility, being strong in these situations. Rakesh cares his parents well. However, tensions rise between him and his father. It is the consequence of generation gap. Being a dying patient, Mr. Burma wishes of eating his favorite food is not unusual, and as a doctor, it is Rakesh's duty to prevent his patient from eating harmful food. The story is realistic and very interesting to read. The author has done justice to the characters, and the title also seems to be quite appropriate to Rakesh's character. It is said that the young children and the aged ones are similar in their character, which can be realized in this story. Now, let's talk about the themes of the story. The themes of this story are loyalty and responsibility as a son, and the gratitude for both son and the father, and the hard work for success for both. and the family, the meaning of the family and the importance of family, and there is generation gap there, and the relationship in the family, and then the patriotism is also there as he returns back to the country to serve the country. Now let's go to the question answers from the text. The first question of the text is, how did the morning papers bring evidence of the celebration in Burma family? So पत्रिकाले कसरी चाहिँ खुसी लिएर आयो बर्माको फ्यामिलीमा. The news that Rakesh became the topmost student of the country in the medical examination was published in the newspaper. So the morning paper brought evidence of celebration in the family. किन भन्दा त्यो पत्रिकामा राकेशले चाहिँ यो मेडिकल एक्जाम टप गरेको खबर छापिएको थियो. How did the community celebrate Rakesh's success? All the neighbors had been to the Rakesh's small house for congratulating him. They also decorated the house and provided him with many gifts. Burma family also offered them some food. In this way, the whole community celebrated Rakesh's success. Why was Rakesh's success a special matter of discussion in the neighborhood? Not only in the Burma family, but also in the community, Rakesh was the first person to top the medical examination. So his success was a special matter of discussion in the neighborhood. उसको बारेमा चाहिँ त्यहाँ छिमेकमा कुरा चल्नु स्वाभाविक थियो, किन भन्दा राकेशको फ्यामिलीमा मात्रै होइन, त्यो समुदायमा नै चाहिँ मेडिकल एक्जाममा टप गर्ने फर्स्ट व्यक्ति थियो राकेश. How did the author make fun with the word America and the USA? अमेरिका र युएसए चाहिँ शब्दको माध्यमबाट कसरी उनले चाहिँ रमाइलो गरेका छन्. According to Rakesh, America is the term, अमेरिका भनेको त्यसमा, that the ignorant villagers call, and he taught the whole family to call the USA in the way the author make fun with the words. उनले राकेशले के भन्छ भन्दाखेरि त्यो अमेरिका भनेको अशिक्षित गाउँलेहरूले भन्ने कुरा हो, हामीले चाहिँ त युएसए भन्नुपर्छ भनेर त्यसरी भनिएको छ. How does the author characterize Rakesh's wife? The author has shown Rakesh's wife Veena as old-fashioned, calm and uneducated village girl. However, she is pretty and obedient wife. She has also been shown as fat and lazy character. Describe how Rakesh rises in his career. For some years, Rakesh worked in a city hospital, quickly rising to the top of the administrative organization, and was made a director before he left to set up his own clinic. How does the author describe Rakesh's family background? Rakesh's grandfather worked as a vegetable vendor and his father worked as an oil seller. His family was an uneducated and poor family. What is the impact of Rakesh's mother's death on his father? Rakeshको आमाको मृत्युले चाहिँ कस्तो असर पर्यो उसको बुवामा भन्दा, having retired from work and having lost his wife, the old father developed so many complaints and fell ill so frequently and with such mysterious disease called PB swing. उसको चाहिँ श्रीमतीको मृत्यु भएपछि जागिर पनि उसले छोडेपछि उसलाई चाहिँ धेरै प्रकारको रोगहरू डेभलप भयो र त्यसलाई चाहिँ खास PB swing भनेर भनिएको छ उसको रोगलाई. What did Rakesh do to make his father old age more comfortable? राकेशले के गर्यो उसको बुवाको सुविधाको लागि? Rakesh himself brought the morning tea in his father's favorite brass tumbler, sat by the edge of his bed and read the morning paper for him to make him more comfortable and relaxed. Why did the old man try to bribe his grandchildren? Rakesh had banned the old man from eating his favorite food, the sweets, so he tried to bribe his grandchildren to get sweets for him. राकेशले चाहिँ आफ्नो बुवालाई गुलियो खानको लागि जिलेबी भनेको छ त्यसमा हैन, उसले चाहिँ हैन प्रतिबन्ध गरेको थियो, तर उसले चाहिँ नातिलाई चाहिँ फकाएर पैसा दिएर पनि उसले चाहिँ किन्न लगाउनलाई हैन मिस्टर वर्माले चाहिँ त्यसो गरेका थिए राकेशको फादरले. Are Mr. Verma's complaints about his diets reasonable? How? उनले गरेको गुनासो सही छ त खानाको बारेमा किन भन्दाखेरि, no, I don't think so. मलाई त सही जस्तो लाग्दैन. Rakesh cut out his favorite food items only because they worsen his health. उसको चाहिँ स्वास्थ्यमा अझै खराब गर्ने भएको कारणले गर्दा राकेशले खान नदिएको. Being a doctor, it was his duty, and as a son, he wanted his father to live longer. एउटा डक्टरको हैसियतले उसको यो चाहिँ ड्युटी थियो भने एउटा छोराको हैसियतले उसलाई चाहिँ आफ्नो बुवा अझै धेरै बाँचुन् भन्ने थियो, त्यो कारणले गर्दाखेरि उसले त्यो गरेको थियो. सो मिस्टर वर्मा's complaint about his diets are not reasonable. त्यो भएर चाहिँ मिस्टर वर्माको कम्प्लेन चाहिँ रिजनेबल जस्तो लाग्दैन हामीलाई. Okay, these are the questions, third questions from the textbook, and the other questions will upload very soon in other videos. Thank you so much for watching the video. If you have any queries and confusions about today's lesson, please feel free to write a comment in the comment section below. Thank you. Thank you very much.